Hi ho, hi ho, hi.
All right, boys, prepare to be dazzled. Prepare to be dazzled. Dazzled, dazzled, dazzled.
All right, cryptocurrency land. We're gonna get into some cryptocurrency trading today. Yay! So, basically, from me placing investments, like initial investments, strategically, I have some profits now to work with, and we're going to use those in the cryptocurrency trading market. So this video is going to be about researching, like studying, knowing where to place your money, and like your ground floor to that information highway. So let's get into this. So we're on day 5 right now, and to give you guys a little catch up of kind of what I've been doing. When I first started, I invested about $250, and if you're going to invest anything, I say start with $250, but obviously, like, if I was just working with just one of these currencies, you see I would be in some profit here. So hey, whatever floats your boat. But just from the growth alone and making some wise investments, my currencies that I have profit to them. So I've made me another spreadsheet over here on a different tab, and it has which currencies that I have, which exchanges that they're located in, and then what funds that I have to work with out of those funds. So I have about a little over $30, but who knows what that will be when I actually hop into the trading part of the video. So this is my grocery list. These are coins that I'm looking into obtaining, and I came to those conclusions over here. So this is coinmarketcap.com, and coinmarketcap.com is a good place to really do your cryptocurrency homework. Like, not all of it, but a lot of the groundwork, the beginning work, because you can go over here to trending, and we're going to check our new kids on the block in the trending section. These are the recently added cryptocurrencies, so you can see, you know, what's coming out, what's new, what's new, what's new. And any of these currencies, at least watch them for, like, let them hit the 7-day mark, let them bake for 7 days before you start making choices and decisions on them. So then you're going to go to your gainers and losers, and this is always hit 7 days over here, and always hit 7 days on the bottom for the biggest losers. So you're going to go to the losers. Over the last week, you want to see like what's not been doing so hot. These ones haven't been doing so hot over the last week. And these ones have been doing like phenomenal. Like, I don't know what the heck this is, but over the last week, it's been doing some giant growth. So, yeah, that's what you do for that part. Then when you go to this monthly rankings over here, you're gonna see like who's pushing volume month, day, 7 days, and 30 days, and you're gonna see like which coins are pushing some capital through the internet. So then you're gonna go back over here to all, just like the have it on a plain page. And so if we're looking through here, and I'm just gonna pick one of the ones that I'm looking into so we can do some homework on it. So I'm looking into game credits because I've been watching this for a minute now, and it's consistently doing well in my eyes. So I came to my conclusion over here. I've been seeing just the overall growth, which is just peaking up. Then I've been checking it over the last month. And then over the last week. And then today, because if I can see what it's doing today, I might be able to catch like one of these little dips in here in the market when I grab it and get it at a lower price than what I would normally get it for. So then if I wanted to go over here and I could see what market I can actually get it on, and I have a few of these exchanges that I'm already registered with and have coins on. You want to see on like who's trading the most volume, because when it's time to sell or anything, like even just liquidate, you want to kind of have it where the most volume is being pushed for it. So it's coming off of here, and if you click this is pretty cool. Click the currency pair. And you can actually like see what's going on around here. And this is, like, tells you how much Bitcoin you'd actually need to buy it. So copy paste this number right here. If my computer wants to cooperate with us. Control C. And then we're going to go back to coinmarketcap.com. www.coin. And so then we go over here to the tools. And you go to the currency converter calculator. So it just already comes set up on Bitcoin, which is cool. And then it's going to tell you that you need $3.39 at least to purchase this coin. So I'm going to take that number and look at what I have to invest, which are these two numbers right here. And I'm going to see how much of this money I want to spend on that coin. So if I wanted to like spend 10 bucks on it, I'd just reverse the calculator around the USD to Bitcoin. Then I put $10 right here so I can figure out how much Bitcoin I would need to get $10 worth of this coin. So that's how much Bitcoin I would need. So if you come back over here, I'm going to click out that window so I can get back to it easy. Did I pass it? Oh, I did pass it. Okay. So if you click over here again on game credits, we can check out some more stuff. So you can actually go to the exact website that they have. You can go over here to like the social and see like what their Twitter feeds are saying. Like see if people are buzzing about it, because people control the market. So if they're not talking about it, you don't really want it. It's not going to really have value because people aren't going to think they need it. And so this is where you can see like the official site, for the coin, and you can just start doing your homework, start researching. Then you have the name of the coin. So you have the name of the coin, pop that bad boy in Google and get to be in a gumshoe. So I also want to go over something else. Let's go back over here to the main page. I'm trying to remember what the coin was that I was looking at, so I can kind of show you guys. I think it's the Psy coin. So I'm going to click over here on the Psy coin. And so if I'm right, this will be a good point to make. So I'm going to click over here to these markets. And well, what I wanted to show you guys is sometimes right here, the pair that it's trading against, like you could use on this exchanger, you could actually use the Dogecoin to buy this one and vice versa. So like if you look like right here on the pair that it's going against, depending on the coin, you might be able to leverage more than just Bitcoin to buy it. So I'm going to see if I can find a different one so I can give you guys a good example. So yeah, depending on the exchange, this is different. Like I've seen some of them, you can only trade them on the Ether markets, and so sorry that I didn't have a good example to show you, but there are some coins like that, so be conscious of that when it comes to like looking for obtaining it. And then you just click this part and it'll take you right to the supplier or the exchange where it's available. So on our next video, we're going to go over acquiring your currencies and tracking them, and so that's going to entail putting them into your exchange account. And if you need to move some money around from some different currencies, or different wallets or whatever. So till my next video, I'll see you guys next time.